Once you know how to create one-to-one relationships between applications, you may want to create one-to-many relationships. So previously we've set up a relationship between the orders application and the people application, making sure that each order is linked to a specific person. If you haven't watched that video, we suggest that you do. This time, in the orders application, we want to create a record link for returns. So we name it and link it, but this time we want to activate the multi-select property. This now appears as a grid, and just like in the previous lesson, we go into the returns application to set which fields we want displayed. Let's go ahead and display all of these. Now, in the workspace, when making a new record, you can see the return field as an empty grid here on the bottom. We can link previously created return records here. Now, I can add one or multiple records by doing a control click. Then I confirm the selection by clicking Finish, and then saving this record. Next, you can even create a whole new return record from the return application without leaving this order record by clicking this Add Record button and populating the fields. There it is. This now has its respective returns linked and displayed. And you can sort this grid and even search and filter for specific returns.